Abany'eishengyero barambwire irwaro rya Rwakabengo Rukungiri Health Center ya Kanungu Rukungiri kandi omuri Kanungu barambwire irwaro rya Bugonji Kambuga hamwe na Chi Health Center ya Kana.
Hango munonga tuyana utureba amarwariro gaitu embera izigalimu kandi na services zibarukereza yaba byona bikorwa.
We have seen that health workers here are committed and they are working. But the most challenge that they have, so as a member of health committee, we will go back and then put a budget for the maternity wards to be expanded.
Tukitiene ye Kanungu baline essundiro ery'amasanyalaze naye Bonga district tebagabana ku masanyalaze ago bamaliriza bakozesa generator era ng'okusaba kwabwe bwebwo awali ennaku yaabwe okugamba nti fumba otule naye nga gwafumbye emmere bakuwa ekifu kimu.
Bamwe mbashaho mu marwariro gutayayire bagambira hambereye barukoramu.
Population of Rukungiri is now estimated at about to 450,000 for the entire district. But we are still operating at the structure and maybe the financial allocation, which was for a population of about 200,000.
We are trying to serve our clients, but we have challenges of drugs stockouts. Like now we are waiting for drugs. The deadline was on 1st November, but up to now we have not received any.
Gasha kwa Dan Vasvie.